Our next act will be Bill and Rich, the Gas Brothers.
Oh, no.
Kind of NPR radio. He's 60 years old in Wyoming today. It's Bill Mortimer and Rich Wilson. Help me welcome them.
Get gonged. What am I supposed to be? Ladies and gentlemen and above average children, last year the building committee brought the exciting saga of two Memphis mechanics who were able to preserve and resuscitate Elvis Presley due to their vast medical knowledge and their awesome moonshine. This year, the same mechanics return at the garage, and we'll be looking at Bill and Rich, also known locally as the Gas Brothers. Since they resuscitated Elvis last year, they have been working with their vast musical knowledge this time to improve musical instruments. Tuned headers. This time they have improved the bagpipes. I know you feel that's hard to believe, but they've made them louder and they've added notes that no one has ever heard.
And that's
They have also...
centuries-old tradition that we've improved upon.
Yes, through much research and development.
Now, with these new improvements, they will be probably able to play for an hour. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the music.
Audience?
Get the bagpipes going.
Give her a squeeze. That moonshine was good. Did we hear a gong?
There was a gong. Sorry, guys.
Oh,